Hi, this is Paul from globaltradingsoftware.com, and this is the xBratAlgo Auto Trader for NinjaTrader. I wanted to make this video because the Platinum trades in at the moment, and Platinum's quite a special futures contract in that when this trade first went in at 0736 EST this morning, we had a 12 tick gap between the buy and sell prices. So this is why we have a very wide trailing stop on this particular strategy, because that's gap. Now that gap is getting lower. We've just had the gold pit open and we're just about to have some big data. And one of the things we look at with this is we have said that if a trade happens between this time, you see these grey bars on the bottom, this is a session break for the Platinum strategy, and then there's another session break here. So what we say and what we've done with our performance and optimization is if we get a 6-star buy or sell in this particular time period, there's a high probability going into that data that it is going to continue and go and hit our profit target. Currently it's $140 profit. Again, one of the things I wanted to really reiterate is we've got a very wide trailing stop on here, because if we had a really tight one like we do with ES or NQ, we get tiptoed out here because of that. I mean, that range now between buy and sell is 3 ticks. It was 12 ticks earlier on. We're getting closer to the open of the US session. We're getting more data coming in. We're getting more traders coming in. We can see the rough volume there, 11 and 4 on those orders. So that's better. When I first started this trade, when it first actually went in automatically, we were literally 1 and 1. It was very, very, very low volume. Again, we can see that gap, that spread come back up to 7 ticks there as well. We're just coming in, and I wanted to make this video during that big jobs data coming out, because I wanted to see it live, what's going to happen. If it goes down, it'll take the stop out, or have we got a wide enough stop to take that initial reaction to the jobs data for it to go back up again. But if the job data works out well for Platinum futures, it should just go up, take that automated take profit limit, and we will take profit. So let's have a see. There may be no reaction. A lot of time we get that neutral type of data that comes out that really doesn't react to the markets don't react to it at all, because it's just, there's nothing special about it, so one thing that with this xBrat Auto Trader, we really designed this for futures. We've used the NinjaTrader platform because it's a special platform that is probably the best on the market for auto trading. Very it's simple to make complex strategies like this work well and be totally automated. So we can optimize the times of the day, the days of the week that it trades longs or shorts. So we can do that individually for each particular. There we go. We're going to go now. Hopefully we've had there. Yeah, we go. It's taken the profit. Take the profit automatically there. It took us in the trade automatically, and now we have the target hit. It's probably going to go on, but what we do when we optimize is we look at the best fit for this scenario, this time of the day on a Thursday, and what is the average target for Platinum, and we can do that individually for each particular futures contract, because what we want to do is that best fit. So on average, where does it hit? Does it hit 30 ticks, 40 ticks, 50 ticks? And when we put those strategies together, we actually put it together per instrument and then send out those template files. So in this case, we have we have an EMA period 34. It's probably the biggest EMA period we use for those trailing stops, purely because of those wide spreads in effect. And what we're looking for really at different times of the day, we're looking for 100 ticks or 50 ticks, okay? And we're looking for 50 ticks at this time of the day, and then so on and so forth. until the 60 ticks. So they're all individually optimized for times of the day, days of the week, so we get the best results and great optimization. So this is fantastic. I've filmed it live during that data so you could see exactly what I'm talking about when we've got those wide stops, but also when it hits that automated target, we are good to go. Hopefully that helps. Speak to you all really soon.